Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a project share as well as announcing that I will be opening an Etsy store, and this is going to be my first product release. So I'm sharing the things that you can purchase in the store, giving you an overview of what they look like. So stay tuned for that. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of memory dexes. So the main thing on my store that I'm going to be selling is memory dex SVG files. So for heaps of different occasions. So there's going to be Christmas, Halloween, birthday, everyday, school themed, growing themed, lots of different things. So this is the first release that I'll be doing. I'm going to be releasing 8 memory dexes this week, and then next week I'll be releasing a further 4, and then I will go to a monthly basis. So these are the initial 8 that I will be releasing. You'll be buying the SVG file, which you then use your automatic die cutting machine to cut it out. So I'll be showing you what you're purchasing for each of these, and then also some other products that I'm going to have on my Etsy store. So let's start by looking at the first memory dex. Okay, so this release is kind of broken up into 4 different categories. First, we have the Halloween category. So the first the first SVG file that you'll be purchasing is this witch hat here. So I'm going to insert a video of what the SVG file actually looks like by itself. And then here's an example of how you could decorate it. So what I've done is I've got a cute little cluster of kind of a spooky flowers with some little spider webs on the back, and then I've got little spider webs here as well. So I think this looks so cool, and it's stitched as well. That's just an alternative idea of what you can do. The back is a little bit messy, so what I would suggest doing is printing a couple of them. I've printed this 4 thick, so I did die cut 4 of them out. I would suggest doing the 3, decorating it, and having the 4th one glued on the back so you don't see any of the mess. So that is what I will do in the future. But I just think this one is so cute, so simple. They all fit in your standard size memory deck. So this one here is exactly 4 inches, more or less. They're all exactly 4 inches across, which is your standard size for memory decks. And some of them are larger and taller. So this is 3 1/4 tall. So I've added a dangle, lots of little things. And here is a little bit of a close-up as well. I think this turned out just beautiful. I love this one so much. I'm not a Halloween crafter, so I think this just looks so cool. Then the next memory dex SVG is this haunted house file. So like I said, I'll insert the footage of what the cut file actually looks like. And here's an example of how you can decorate it. So what I have done, and I'll try and pick it up on camera, is I've got little spider webs behind this like holographic glass pane that I use, and I have stitched it around. And what I did is I added this cute coffin here. This is a coffin die that I have. I'd never used it before I made this memory dex, and I thought it'd be really cool to add a 3D element. So it is quite a chunky one, but again, this is how I've decorated it. The cut file itself is, like I said, 4 inches, and at its tallest point it is about 5 3/4. The beauty with SVG files is you can obviously scale them to the size that you want. So if you wanted to make this smaller, you could. If you want to make it bigger, you could. It's entirely up to you. I adore this cut file. I think it's amazing to customize. You could potentially, if you wanted to, you purchase the cut file, you could cut this off in your design software and make it a Christmas theme, which I think is what I'm going to try and do. I'll post that on my Instagram if you want to see another way to use this cut file that I have on my Etsy store. I'm just really happy with this one, and the back is really clean. This one here I did cover with a backing piece. So as you can see, the glass panes are there, but it's all inside of it. So I think this turned out amazing. I love this one. The next little kind of collection is the birthday collection. So the first one is this birthday cake. So I'll insert the footage of the cut file. So you're buying the backing piece and then all of the layering pieces. So there's a 3 layered cake with the cake stand and then a layering piece for the cake stand. I think this turned out amazing. This is probably my favorite one out of the collection that I'm releasing. I think it looks so stunning. I'm also really happy with the way that I decorated it. And this one here is at its widest, 4 inches across, and it is 5 inches long. But with an SVG file, you can resize it to whoever you want, and this is a really good way to decorate it. You could change this to be Halloween themed, Christmas themed, birthday themed. I kind of wanted to make this one a wedding theme a little bit. I think it looks so cute, so I really like that one. Then along with the celebration-y birthday theme, I have this party hat one. So here is the cut file itself. As you can see, I layered the circles with paper. You don't have to do that. You can just have the backing piece. I just wanted to add a little bit of extra pizzazz. And then I put the pom-poms on there to make them look really cute. Little party time add-on. This is not a part of the SVG file. That's just something I added extra. And then a little dangle. I'm really happy with this one. This is also one of my favorites. I think it's really cute and it's very delicate as well. So 4 inches across like all of them are. And at its tallest, it is exactly 5 inches. So this is this one here. Then we have the ice cream scoop. The beauty of this one is, here is the SVG file. The beauty of this one, along with the rainbow one that I'm about to show you and the pencil one that I'm about to show you, is you can actually use this backing piece here. So if you just remove the memory decks piece itself, you can use that as an embellishment. This little ice cream drip does not come with the SVG file. I did add that on there myself, and this fun word does not come with it. I did add that on there myself. These are also something you can find in the store. You'll see that soon. But this one is really cute and simple, and like I said, you can use that as a embellishment piece. You don't actually have to use it as a memory deck. It is in the file. So that one looks really good. I like this one. Then we have a school themed one. I wanted to make this one, I think it'd be really good to document, and also the customization is so cute. So here it is here. This is what the SVG file looks like. And as you can see, I have decided to layer it up with different colored paper. You don't have to do that. You could use a single piece, but I wanted to use this. And the beauty of this one as well, you are getting that piece there. So you can use that as an embellishment, or you can use the backing piece here and turn it into a memory deck. So this one's really cute, nice and simple. This one I think would be fantastic to flip it over, you know, have a photo on the back of your kids on their first day of school, or maybe you on your first day of school have a couple of them. I think it'll look really awesome, and you can change the pencil color to match the child or the person that the photo matches. So I really like this one. Then we go into kind of the everyday and nature themed part. So I have this one here, which is a gorgeous rainbow. So these are all individual pieces that have been stitched on and layered. This is the SVG file here, and I've decorated it up like this, added a cluster on here. The grow word is not a part of it, but that is something. This is a die cut, so you can actually purchase these from another store. This is not my own design, but I think it looks amazing. And then this is just the back, but this is how I decided to decorate it. Very cute. And this one here is 4 inches across, and at its tallest it is 4 1/4. So very nice. I like this one. And then lucky last for the memory dexes is this flower with a cutout in the middle that you can use a shaker. So I really like this one. This is the SVG file. And then this is how you can decorate it in an example. If we flip it over to the back, you can kind of see that sequence mix a little bit better. So that is what it will cut out like, and then you can decorate it up, put your own sequins mix in. Like I said, very customizable. You can make it lots of different themes. So I think this one is an excellent staple to have. So these are the memory dexes in this release, and now I'm going to show you some of the other products that are available on my Etsy store. So these next products that are coming out are actually, you are buying the physical copy. The memory dexes are a digital SVG file. These are physical products that you can purchase. So I have 3 of these rainbow memory dexes already cut out, already stitched. Everything is stuck together. So this is one of the ones you can purchase. And then this color, like I said, the link to the Etsy will be down below if you want to purchase any of these products. This is the same size as the SVG file. It's just cut out for you if you didn't have a die cutting machine yourself. Then I have a bag topper pack. So this is the first one here, which this is a bow bag topper. I will insert a photo of what it looks like together. This is what you will be purchasing. So you're getting 2 of the bow dies as well as the bag topper itself. When it is assembled, it measures 3 inches by 5 inches. And you can get it in a variety of colors. Check out the store to see that. So that's one of the products. And I also have another bag topper set, which is one of these scalloped edge bag toppers, which measures 4 inches across, and when assembled 2 3/4 inches deep. So you will get 1 of those, and then you will also get 2 of these. These are mini bag toppers. They measure 2 1/4 inches wide and 3 inches long. So they will fold down like this and be assembled very similar to this. It does come in a variety of colors. So like I've said, you are purchasing this here. I will have it die cut out for you, and you will get this, and then you can decorate it however you want. This is not going to be a digital file. I have some packs of words. So these are going to be, like I said, a physical product that you will get. So there is the Halloween set. Again, comes in a variety of colors. You choose the color when you are purchasing the product. Comes with 8 words. So here they are. We've got Halloween, trick or treat, spooky, witch, scary, brew, eek, and boo. That is the Halloween set. So the everyday set comes with fun, cherish, beautiful, friend, love, happy, lovely, and sweet. So all ready to go for you. All you have to do is grab it and stick it on a project. Celebration, carrot, hunt, Easter, bunny, egg, bouquet, and chocolate. So that is the Easter set. Then there's also a customizable set. It will be at a little bit more of an extra cost, and you can choose 8 words that you want. I've got an example one here of names. So you choose the 8 words, and I will use this specific font and cut them out for you. So here I've just got names, so like Hannah, Claire, Dad, William, Leo, Jamie, and Mum. You choose the words. Maybe you want them to be Christmas themed, or for a particular album that you're working on. There's lots of different things that you can do. Then there's the Christmas set as well. And like I said, all of them come in a variety of colors. You choose the colors that you want to cut them out in. This one here comes with snowman, holly, joy, snow, Christmas, merry, jolly, and Santa. And then the final available set is the Valentine's Day set. I will be releasing more sets as time goes on. This is just the initial release as I open the store. It would be amazing if you could support me if you're interested in any of these products. I'm so happy with how they've turned out. So the Valentine set is cuddle, adore, kisses, heart, Valentine, Love, Beloved, and Be Mine. So very, very cute, and you can choose the color scheme that you want. So this is my first release on my Etsy store. I hope that you are enjoying the products, and if you want to go and check them out, the Etsy store is going to be down below for you to go and look at. If you want to purchase some products, that would be fantastic, and stay tuned for next week where I'll be sharing the next release of some memory dexes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first product release of my Etsy store. It'd be amazing if you go check out the store, and also to remember to subscribe to my channel. That's another way to support me. So thanks for watching. Bye.